Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be making a tutorial on how you can transfer music to any Android phone. This tutorial will work on any Android phone regardless of brand. Before we get started though, make sure to click the subscribe button and to click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. I also wanted to give a quick shout out to my subscriber count. I currently, as of the writing of this script, have 53 subscribers. I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it very much. Now without further ado, let's get started. For this tutorial, I'll be using a Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. First, you'll want to take the USB cable that came in the box with your phone and connect your phone to the computer. On your computer, open File Explorer and navigate to this PC. Your phone will most likely be under Devices and Drives. Double-click your phone to open it. Then double-click Phone to actually access your phone's internal storage drive. In that folder, you should see a Music folder. This is where by default all music is stored on Android phone. Now go to the folder where your music that you'd like to copy is. Select all the songs you'd like to copy and click Copy. Navigate back to your phone's Music folder and click Paste. Your computer should automatically start copying the songs to your phone. When you have finished copying everything to your phone, disconnect your phone from your computer. That concludes this tutorial. Again, thank you so much for 53 subscribers. I am really grateful, and I never expected to have that many when I started this channel. If this video helps you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.